Think about a website or application you love. What do you love about it? Is it the gathering relevant information, how you can buy something in one click, or how quickly it answers your questions? Now, think about the people who created this website. What was their goal? They were trying to create a website that had the features you love, a website that's easy to use, effectively delivers information, and allows you to make smart decisions tailored to your challenges or concerns. We call this level UX design, and this is the first episode of the journey to become a wonderful UX designer. In this series, I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know to get your job. So if you want to have a full guide and a step-by-step process, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell button next to that so you'll get notified when the next episode is published. Now let's start. What is UX design? UX design, or user experience design, is a process of increasing users' level of satisfaction with a product or service by increasing its functionality, ease of use, or convenience. The concept of UX is most often talked about in terms of tech, such as smartphones, applications, computers, softwares, etc. This is why UX is not only a fairly new field, but a variable one. It changes quickly due to technology advancements, new types of interaction, and user preferences. It's no secret that today customers want quick and simple ways to meet their needs and solve their pain points. That is why UX matters so much. Whether or not you are in tech, the company you own or work for most likely has a website. Well, customers could write you off in a matter of seconds if they don't find your website useful and easy to use. In fact, most of the website visitors determine whether or not they want to leave in a minute of opening pages. On the other hand, and the easier explanation is, UX design is about creating a product that provides meaningful and relevant experiences to the user, according to the Interaction Foundation design. Alright, if so far you find this content useful, don't forget to like it so this video gets spread out and more people could watch it. Thank you, I really appreciate it. But you have to know, within UX design there are a few more categories. Number one, an interaction design. A subset of UX design is interaction design. It is defined as, you guessed it, the interaction between a user and a product. The goal of that interaction is to be pleasant for the user. Number two, visual design. In visual design, creators use illustration, photography, typography, space, layouts, and colors to enhance user experience. To have a successful visual design, artistic design principles, including balance, space, and contrast, are crucial. Color, shape, size, and other elements also impact your visual design. Number three, user research is the last major element of UX design. User research is how companies determine what their customers and users need and want. At its core, your website should solve a problem, and so this is an important step in determining what your users require. Without this process, your design is completely guesses. And the last one, information architecture. Designers use information architecture to structure and label content so that users can find information easily. Information architecture is used in smartphones, apps, websites, and even the physical places we go to. Ease of use and discoverability are two important factors of information architecture, which is why it is so closely related to UX design. By the way, this video was the first episode of becoming a UX designer. In this series, in this playlist, I'm going to give you a step-by-step and full guide around different topics that you need to know in order to become a successful and wonderful UX designer. So if you want to catch up and follow along, don't forget to subscribe this channel and click the bell button next to that. And if you like this video, I'd be really happy. In the meantime, don't forget to watch this video, and once again, if you want to subscribe, this is the button you need.